Which Excel objects are zero-based and which are one-based? Using VBA to access the first sheet in a worksheet is Worksheets 1. The first item in a list box is MyListBox.list0. I heard that collections are one-based but I don't know what they are. VBA arrays are zero-based. Excel string functions like MIT are one-based. Is there a general principle as to what is based on 0 or 1, or could you provide a list of each?
There are three main types of grouping constructs available in VBA, with distinctions between indexes. Collections, one-based index. Zero-based exceptions, user-form collections like tabs, pages, controls, listbox, textbox. Collections are native Excel objects that contain groups, or lists, of logically related objects. Normally used to hold complex objects, but can hold basic types as well. Excel collections. Workbooks, sheets, ranges, shapes. Sheets 1 is the first in the file, cells 1, 1, is the cell in first row and first column. Main advantage of collections is the convenience of accessing elements by name. For each loop is very efficient, compared to for each processing of arrays. Accessing individual items by index though, is faster than accessing them by name. Arrays, zero-based by default, but the first index can be changed to any number, illustrated below. Arrays are variables that contain a set of related variables. Normally used for primitive data types like Boolean, integer, long, string, double, etc. Once it is defined, it will hold only one type of items, dim_x as long. To hold more complex objects, an array can be defined as dim_x as variant. Variants can be any type of objects, including workbooks, sheets, ranges, arrays. Dim_x as variant column x equals array 1 variant variable containing one array. Dim_y2 as variant 1 variant array containing 3 arrays. y0 equals array 1 column y1 equals array 2 column y2 equals array 3. Main advantage of arrays is performance when accessing items by index. For index equals 0 to 10, loops are faster than for each loops. Dictionaries, not indexed, but indexes can be simulated with keys. Native to VB script, not VBA, must use an external library. Can hold any type of objects including arrays, collections, or other dictionaries. A listbox is a complex object and can be accessed through the zero-based collection of controls. The list property of listbox is a zero-based array. Other notes: zero-based indexes are the standard for other languages. VBA introduced the one-based concept to make it more intuitive for new users. Sheet 1 to Sheet 3, with collection count of 3 easier to use than Sheet 0 to Sheet 2, with collection count of 3. Some practical examples of the difference between their indexes. Further reading. Arrays versus collections versus dictionary. What is a dictionary?
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.